A police head constable and 4 protesters died in violence that erupted over oppositions to the Citizenship Amendment Act in the Jafrabad, Mauzapur and Bhajanpura area of northeast Delhi the previous day. As per reports, the violence took a communal color. And spread to other parts of the northeast Delhi as organized group attack. As per media reports, the violence took a communal color and spread to other parts of northeast Delhi as organized group attack each other, setting shops and vehicles on fire. Rajmedicity is celebrating its 16th Foundations Day today at the hospital premises located in North AOC Imphal. Manipur Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar attended the function as chief guest. The Meghalaya government is encouraging formations of cooperative societies for the successful implementations of the milk and piggery missions in the state. According to reports, Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Preston Tyson, said that the government has decided to change the model of the milk and piggery missions by encouraging people to form cooperative societies. The Mizoram government has asked the centre to review the Mizoram-Assam boundary. As per sources, this was informed by the State Home Minister Lalcham Liana in the Assembly on last Monday. He said that the government is making massive efforts to resolve the dispute at Jofai area near Bairabi town along the state border with Assam. Defence sales and cooperations features prominently in the speeches of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and United States President Donald Trump at the Namaste Trump event in Ahmedabad the previous day. As per media reports, while announcing that defence deal worth around $3 billion will be signed during his visit, Mr. Trump offered a range of high-tech defence equipment to India. The Election Commissions of India (ECI) today informed that polling for 55 Rajya Sabha seats for over 17 states said to be vacant in April will be conducted on March 26 next, media reports said.